part 2 of solving literal equations. All right, our equation for this one is going to be this. X plus a over 3 is equal to x minus a over 4. So there are two ways that we can solve this problem. Let's see which one's better. Option 1 is we figure out the lowest common factor of 3 and 4, and then find out new denominators. Option 2 is we cross multiply. Example here is 1 over 2 is equal to 3 over 6. What cross multiplying means is you do this times that is equal to this times that. Right? Check it out. 1 times 6 is equal to 2 times 3. That's how ratios work. Okay, let's do the left side first. So let's find the lowest common multiple of 3 and 4. We got 6, 9, 12, 15, and 8, 12, 16. So 12 is our lowest common factor for 3 and 4. That means our new denominator is going to be 12. So in order to get 12 as the denominator for this side, we have to multiply it by 4. So let's do x plus a over 3 times 4 over 4 is equal to x minus a over 4. Now to get this one over 12, we're going to have to multiply it by 3. So we're going to do times 3 over 3. And if I distribute the 4 into the x plus a, I'm going to get 4x plus 4a over 12 is equal to 3x minus 3a over 12. Okay, now that we have the same denominator on the bottom, we can subtract them. So now we can do 4x minus 3x, right? Because I subtracted this side over to here. I'm also going to subtract the 4a over to this side. Is equal to negative 3a minus 4a. So now here, let me just show you this one other thing. If you have this over 12 is equal to this over 12, if they're both over the same denominator and you don't really care about the number down here and you just care about what's up here, you can rewrite it without the denominator. So without even writing it like this, you can leave out the over 12 because they're both over 12. So they're going to be equal to the same thing, right? It's like saying 2 plus 2 over 4 is equal to 4 over 4, right? That's also 4 over 4 equals 4 over 4. So you don't need to have the bottom. Let's just take it out and simplify. Let's go back a step. So if you were to take out the bottom, you have 4x plus 4a is equal to 3x minus 3a. Okay, so now I'll show you how you get x on this side and a on this side. Okay, so to get rid of the 3x here, you need to do minus 3x minus 3x. Let's move that over here. And then to get rid of the plus 4a, we're going to do minus 4a minus 4a. All right, so these guys together, and these guys together, and these guys together, and these guys together. So this is going to cancel out to become 0, same as this. So they'll just disappear. What we have left on the left side is this, 4x minus 3x, which is equal to x. And then over here, we have minus 3a minus 4a. So we get minus 7a. Okay, now it's asking us to solve for a, not for x. And that's what I just solved for. So how do we get it to say a is equal to something? Well, just divide what we have left. If I divide this by negative 7 and this by negative 7, I'll have a is equal to negative, let's keep the negative down there. So x over negative 7. That can also be written as negative x over 7. So that's what a is equal to. All right, cool. The other way that we can solve all this is by cross multiplying. So let's just rewrite the equation down here. X plus a over 3 is equal to x minus a over 4. All right, so if we cross multiply this and that, we're going to get 4x plus 4a is equal to 3 this times that, which is 3x minus 3a. Okay, so just like that, we've already moved down to this process. We didn't have to figure out the lowest common multiple. We didn't have to get the same denominator. We just jumped right to here. So that already saved us 2 steps. So I think that makes cross multiplying the better way of solving this equation. We have 2 fractions like this. Just cross multiply. It's a lot easier. All right, cool. Well, that's it for this video.